Hello my friends, it's Angie World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you amazing recipe to get rid of large open pores and to get baby looking glass skin naturally, guys. With very simple ingredients we can prepare super effective remedy, and this is will help you tremendously to get glass skin naturally, and will get you rid of any kind of open pores, open large pores, and naturally will get rid of it very effectively. The first ingredient we will need is 1 teaspoon of licorice powder, and here I'm using the white licorice powder. You can use any licorice powder available for you, and this is improve retinol in the skin and will help you tremendously. The second ingredient we will need is 1 teaspoon of coffee, and here I'm using instant coffee. Mix the licorice with the coffee like so. And then my friends, we need 1 lemon. Lemon is high in vitamin C and will get you rid of any kind of open pores naturally. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And mix well all the ingredients. Once we mix all the ingredients very well like so, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on clean skin that has no makeup or dust, and apply generous amount. Like so, my friends, and leave it to dry out completely for 45 minutes to 1 hour to dry out completely, my friends. After it dries out, wash it and rinse it with warm water followed by cold water to close the pores, and you will notice a great results from first use, my friends. You will get rid permanently of large open pores and you will be amazed with your skin. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.